If you have a Galaxy Fold pre-ordered, if you're concerned, if you're worried, if you're kind of on edge, if you're questioning if you should cancel, I don't know, you guys. I got to put it in my hand. Newsflash, PSA, public service announcement. I started a brand new second channel. The second channel is called Hustle to Create, because I am hustling to create. I am sharing my hustle to create.
Not in the way. See, I need that remote.
What up, YouTube? My name is CJ. This is CJ Knows Tech and C-Kid.
What up, y'all?
Shout out to C-Kid for getting me out here. And unbeknownst to me, we would have hands-on time with the Samsung Galaxy Fold. Wait, hold up, player, before we get there. Listen here. Apparently, it is being reported. I say reported with quotation marks because this isn't officially out of Samsung's mouth. The US Samsung Galaxy Fold release has been delayed. Delayed? What do you mean delayed? So what am I supposed to do, man? Man. I don't want to talk about it. So what happened this weekend? On 420, while y'all was probably doing 420 stuff, me and C-Kid and Soldiers Knows Best was doing what we do. We were creating. So first thing I want to do, I just want to let C-Kid give me his feedback and his point of view on it.
My initial impression of it is the screen. Like, I was super impressed by how well you can actually see the screen in direct sunlight. Like, that was something that was a shocker to me. It's a completely different style display. So to be able to have that and be able to clearly see it in direct sunlight was a super dope experience. The other one is that sound when it just closes up. It's just super dope, man. Like, you just gotta experience and have it on hand to really understand and appreciate how addictive that is. The feel of the phone, it didn't feel as heavy as I thought it was gonna feel. But again, yo, shout out to Soldier Knows Best for even just giving us the opportunity to be able to have it in our hand and try it out.
I am super duper hyped. Yo, huge shout out to Soldier Knows Best. Huge shout out to my boy C-Kid for linking us up. And in this link up, we went down to the Arch and we were able to get hands-on with the Samsung Galaxy Fold. I mean, like some real hands-on, opening apps, opening, closing, and folding, shooting footage with it as well. Ain't gonna be no review, but I am gonna share my point of view, my experience, and what I got from the brief moment I had with the Samsung Galaxy Fold. First thing I wanna address is, man, don't believe them trolls. Don't believe these news outlets. They've been trolling really hard. They hating on this device because clickbait is how you get clicks. Let me grab a seat before I tell you about this, you guys. So after having my hands on with the Galaxy Fold device, I have even more confidence in it than I ever had before. I am excited about the Samsung Galaxy Fold, and I still maintain my pre-order to this day. As a business, if they have to do any other alterations or any other safe keepings, so be it. Now let me talk about some of the things that have been addressed with concern. Number one, let's talk about the hinge. A lot of people may be concerned about the hinge. In my dealings with the Galaxy Fold, in my touching and use of the Galaxy Fold, I felt very confident in the hinge.
You can tell the hinge when you close it, like it's legit there. You can feel the support for it.
Yep, I be slamming that thing closed, man.
You can actually feel it. It's very well built. This device is built very well, which is a part of why I gained so much more confidence in it. Let's get to the big blaring thing, the quote unquote screen protector that everyone is jumping to speak on. Seeing that a couple of people started to remove it, I thought that maybe the edge of that on-screen protector was too far away of a gap from the other edge to give you that allure of it being the screen protector. People, now let me tell you something, because I looked and I had to check this. This was one of the things on my mind. I was waiting to get it in hand.
Pretty close to the edge. At first in my head, I was like, why didn't they just put it close to the edge? But look how close that is.
It's not something that, and then it's very hard. Like, it's not like a regular screen protector.
The gap in between the edge of the phone or the edge of the screen and that protector, it's like so slim to none. Like literally you would have to take a fingernail to get in that area in that crevice. Yeah, I really don't see why they would try and peel that off. It doesn't look like a screen protector. Yes, you can tell that it's there and it's apparent that there's a lift right there, but it's so close to the edge. So I don't even think that the average consumer having this device in hand would even jump to conclusion to try to peel that off. No, I'm smarter than that. Let's address the crease. Let's address the crease. It's there. You can see it while you're using it. but it doesn't matter in my opinion. It's a part of the territory, it's there, and honestly it's not as deep or prevalent as you would think it would be, but it's there. I gotta keep it a buck, it's there. You can see it. And I don't think anyone who is purchasing this device will care. The display looks great. I love the sizing of the display. It looks really good. I was in golden hour. That's like the worst time to look at a smartphone. I was able to turn on max brightness and you can see the display a lot better, but like I said, it's golden hour. That was not the best time and place to be using the device to see how beautiful the display is. Now, to see the capabilities of it in brightness, yes, I got to see that. It's usable. I would have loved to have been able to use it like indoors or in a more shaded ideal area just to see really how beautiful the AMOLED is, but I got trust in Samsung's screen, so I'm not even worried about that. All right, so if you're worried about the size or the build of this device or the weight, is non-existent. You don't have to worry about the weight. Now, yeah, it is a bigger device, but once it folds down, it's thicker. It's like putting two smartphones together, but you can get over that. You can hold it in one hand. Now, be careful out there, player. Now, just because CJ said you can hold it in one hand, if you drop, you slip, and you flip, hey, that's on you, player. Disclaimer, putting it out there right now, but I was able to hold it in one hand and function some of the functions as well as just hold it confidently. The whole time I'm shooting footage, I got my camera in one hand, the phone in the other, and I'm closing it and opening it with one hand. Hey, content creators, and even normal consumers, but content creators, this is a content creator's device. The size of that screen, looking at Instagram, being able to see the photos in their big full size glory, the better resolution, you really get to get in there and see what's going on. Being able to frame yourself for pictures and photos and maybe even video. Being able to use that as an external monitor. If I hook that up to my camera and I need to frame, I'm taking photos or video, like literally I have a monitor in my pocket that folds up and it acts as my phone, my text messaging, my connection to social media. It extends my creativity, my content creation, and that is a big plus. Now, if you don't care about big screens, you're fine with the regular design and screens, you're okay with that, that's fine. This phone is not for you. But for those of us who want to push the limits, who want to get into something new, something innovative, who want a bigger screen that you can actually fold up, put in your pocket, and take with you, this is the device. This is the technology. This is the direction. I'm hype about it. I can't wait. This is the content creator's device. If you're a content creator, take heed. Now, if you're a content creator and you're content with the regular phone device, you don't want anything bigger, so be it. This is not for you. Actually, I'm bummed out about this recent news about a possible delay because I want my device. Drama and all, I want my device. There hasn't been any new issues since. Everybody I see that is still talking positive of the device that actually has it, from Bored at Work when we spoke to him on Viper's live stream. If you look at Matthew Monez's channel and his thoughts on it, a lot of positivity, a lot of confidence in the device, and I can't wait to get this device. So Samsung, send me my device. I don't care if you cancel everybody else's pre-order or delay everybody's pre-order. Let mine fly through. Anyways, my name is CJ. This is CJ Knows Tech. I just kind of wanted to give some of my experience with the Samsung Galaxy Fold. Newsflash, PSA, public service announcement. I started a brand new second channel. The second channel is called Hustle to Create because I am hustling to create. I am sharing my hustle to create. I have this channel. This channel has been successful up until this point and shall continue to be, but this channel is very niched in the tech space. I have more creative energy I want to get out of there. I want to talk more in depth about photo and video and camera equipment, how to use it, how to create YouTube. I want to do behind the scenes to some of my experiences on this channel. Like literally for this video, there is a behind the scenes vlog of the whole day of me going down to the arch with Soldier Knows Best and C-Kid Tech. Without further ado, I mean, you can go ahead and hit the video link or whatever. I'm pretty sure I got links everywhere, and go and subscribe to that channel. It's called Hustle to Create, baby, and come along on my hustle to create. I had to let that be known, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's it, player.